Welcome to Auto Install. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Verizon Cloud backup not signing to your device.
Fix 1. Check internet connection. Step 1. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Open a browser or YouTube to confirm internet access. Step 3. If slow or disconnected, restart your router or switch networks. Fix 2. Check Verizon Cloud settings. Step 1. Open the Verizon Cloud app. Step 2. Tap the menu, go to Settings, what to back up. Step 3. Make sure items like photos, contacts, and videos are turned on for backup. Fix 3. Restart the app. Step 1. Close the Verizon Cloud app completely. Step 2. Wait a few seconds, then reopen it. Step 3. Try syncing again. Fix 4. Clear app cache. Android only. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Verizon Cloud. Step 2. Tap Storage, clear cache, and clear data. Step 3. Open the app again and sign in. Fix 5. Update the app. Step 1. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Search for Verizon Cloud. Step 3. Tap Update, if available. Fix 6. Check account storage. Step 1. Open Verizon Cloud, tap Settings, Storage Details. Step 2. If your storage is full, delete old files or upgrade your plan.